Reese, what are you doing?
At least baby can breathe in there.
Yeah, baby has a breathing treatment.
Baby's taking a breathing
Reese,
treatment.
is he purring or is he scared?
She's like sitting there in the corner, not moving. Mama.
Oh, baby, are you okay?
Mommy,
Don't push on him.
He's sitting in the corner, still watching.
No, you do one puff, and that's all.
Take two.
Okay, but that's just for today, okay?
Oh, she just bit me.
Who? Who did? Sasha? Sasha did? Well, she's all like excited. Let me see. Let me see your hand. Why did she bite you? Hi, baby. Let me see. Sasha? Let me see. Let me see your hand. Let me see. Where?
You can't see it, but she put me right on here.
What did you go down to say hi to her? She like nipped you?
No, I didn't. They just turned around and bit me.
Sasha! Did you bite? I think he's just scared.
No, I was just walking and then I had my hand down and he bit me.
Maybe she was jumping up to give you a love tap. Let me see.
She was facing that when I was walking that way. She was turned around and bit me.
Well, we'll give Sasha away. She's scared.
You're going to put her in the box.
She's scared. Well, first of all, what are you doing? Do not give that cat a breathing treatment. Stop. Stop, Reese. Stop. 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 Put the puffer up, please. Stop. Okay? Let the cat out of the breathing treatment bucket, okay? 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 All right. What are you doing?
Make sure nothing ever gets this. How do we have to go to church?
Yes. I got to bathe you real quick. Dad's going to be here. Hi, baby.